The gold of Saka era will be on display in Europe. Nearly 300 unique artifacts from the burial mounds of the Saka era will be displayed in the United Kingdom. The Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge will open an exhibition, The Gold of the Great Steppe, in September, presenting gold jewelry of nomads with a 1,000-year history, attire of a representative of a noble Saka family, gold stripes on clothes in animal style, gold beads. Some are examples of the highest jewelry craftsmanship and artistic forging. These finds from the necropolises of Shilekte and the Berel burial mounds in the east have been collected for years. It took several years for their detailed restoration. The works of Kazakh researchers have already been appreciated by foreign colleagues. The Guardian and Daily Mail made an announcement of the Kazakh expositions.
Иностранцы, конечно же, уже пишут в газетах и вообще пишут в интернете.
Of course, foreign nationals are already writing about this in newspapers, posting photos, asking about the uniqueness. The point of this exposition in Cambridge will be to show people that there was a civilization, a state, and these nomadic tribes knew what gold is, what foundry gold is.
Номады, они уже умели, они уже знали что такое золото, что такое литейное золото,